Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are diving into the world of technical SEO again, and in this video our focus will be canonicalization. I hope I'm pronouncing it the right way. So anyway, if you enjoy content like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss an update. Now let's jump into our first question that we normally get related to canonicalization, and that is, what is canonicalization in the context of SEO? So it's a very critical concept in SEO. It refers to the process of choosing the preferred version of a web page when there are multiple versions of the same content. So, for example, if you have a page and there is another duplicate version of that page as well, and then there is another triplicate version of that page as well, and you only want search engines to consider one of them. Like if all three are serving the same purpose, why would you want search engines to just focus on all three? Like logically it makes sense to make search engines to focus on just one of them and to get them to rank that page. So that is what is called, and then we put a certain tag on all three pages, and that is what is called canonicalization. Like all three pages are the same, and then we tell search engines, okay, all three are the canonical versions of, and this is the version that I want you to rank, to consider for indexation purpose as well. So that's the beauty of using canonicalization in the context of SEO. Canonicalization helps avoid issues such as duplicate content, penalties, and ensures that the right page gets the credit it deserves. So if you're looking at this page, parliamentleads.com, that is one of our page. So and then you go to click on the source. Like what I'm doing is I'm clicking on page source, and here you see the source, and then the canonical tag is, you can see it's here. Yeah, you can see this is how we put the tag in here in the 15th line. If I can zoom in it for you, in the 15th line you can see link rel. So this is the tag we normally put to tell search engines the canonical version. You can just copy paste this code template here from here. Like you just keep this version the same, and this the page version you can just replace with your own version. So if I have page called parliamentleads.com, and then parliamentleads .com/a, parliamentleads.com/b, and all of these three are the same. I will put this tag on all of the three pages and then tell search engines to just serve, consider this page is the original version, and disregard all the other two versions of this page. So that means I will put the same take on other two pages as well, like page B and page C as well. So this will help me avoid duplicate content, penalties, and any issues with the indexation as well. So that is how you put a canonical tag on a page. And by placing this tag in HTML head of a page, you guide search engines to prioritize that specific URL, in our case, parliamentneeds.com, and consider the ranking signals associated with duplicated pages. So that is how it is done. Uh, let's conclude this discussion. If you have any question, you can just ask in the comments, or you can reach out to us with the links in the description. Canonicalization is a fundamental aspect of SEO, and understanding how to use the canonical tag can significantly impact your website search engine performance. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any question or want to see more content like this, drop a comment below. Thanks for tuning in, and I will catch you in the next video. Till then, bye.